Meet Barnaby. He is the smartest bee in the entire hive, known for his intellect and deep thinking. Barnaby has many notebooks and big plans. He spends his mornings sketching complex maps and analyzing the garden's layout. Barnaby waits for the perfect moment to fly. He watches the clouds and the wind, waiting for conditions to be just right. He wants his plan to be perfect before he starts. To Barnaby, one wrong move could mean a wasted journey. This is Zippy. Zippy is not a genius, and he certainly doesn't spend his time studying maps or wind patterns. He doesn't have a map. Zippy simply trusts his wings and the scent of the flowers in the afternoon air. He just flies and works every single day. While Barnaby calculates, Zippy is already on his 10th flower of the hour. Time passes quickly in the garden. The long, warm days of summer begin to shorten, and the air grows cool. Summer ends, and the cold winter arrives. The vibrant green leaves turn yellow, wither, and begin to fall to the ground. The flowers are gone. The garden that was once full of life is now silent and covered in a layer of frost. Inside the hive, the reality of the season sets in. Barnaby has the best plans on paper, but his honey pot is empty. Zippy's pot is full of gold. He rests peacefully, his hard work during the summer now providing for his survival. Remember, a perfect plan on paper is worth nothing if you never start. Success requires action, not just preparation. Just fly. Don't let the pursuit of perfection keep you from the progress that only comes through doing.